In this video lesson, I will explain to you what is 1.00 in Forex, what is 1 in trading, what it represents, and it would be nice also to explain to you with an example what is 1.0 in trading directly on the chart. Here on the right side I have EURUSD as a currency pair. On the left side I have an article that I explain what is 1.0 in Forex in written format, which you can find here on the Get Your Trading website. The link will be below in the description. Let's see on the left side what is visible here. Here I have an example of a trading account where is a new window open, which is used to open a new order. Inside that window, which is the similar one that when you go here to the trading platform, click new order button, and then you get here the details about what you can do before you open an order. And these are the drop-down menus, which you can select which symbol. Then you have a volume, you have a stop loss, you have a take profit, you can put also the comment, and you can define what kind of a type of order you would like to open. Currently it is set to the market execution, which means when you click sell, immediately the order open. When you click the buy market, the order will open immediately. On the left side you can see that there is a possibility to change the volume, which is the same one or like here at the drop-down menu that shows you what is the lot size. 1.0, which the topic is say, it represents what will be the lot size. A lot size is one of the most important thing, the basic terms that you need to understand as a trader. If not the most important at the first place, but it is one of the 4 most important topics, where the other are what is a pip, what is the leverage, what is the margin. Now, the lot size represents how much one pip will be equal to. So if the 1 pip will be equal to $1, will it be equal to $10 or 1 cent? It depends on the lot size. In this topic, I will explain to you what is 1.0, and that means one standard lot, which is visible right here. So if I put here a 1, which means here in the drop-down menu you select 1.0, this will be one standard lot. Now if I go a little bit down here, you will see a table here which says the one standard lot, which is 100,000 units of a base currency, and that base currency in my case for the EURUSD is euro, and then it says that 1 pip will be equal to $10 if I select one standard lot. So if I put here volume 1, click sell by market, whenever the price change by 1 pip, and the 1 pip is on the 4th decimal point for the EURUSD, so when the price change from 6 to 5 or 7, this will be changed by 1 pip, which means I will make or lose $10. If the price goes in my favor, I will make money. Here inside this window, inside the terminal window where the trade is visible, you can see that I have opened a sell order with a size which is 1.0. That means lot size is one standard lot. The price I have opened this order is 1.08967, and the current market price is 66, which means the price has changed by 1 pipette. This is 1/10 of 1 pip because it is on the 5th decimal point. When the price changes on the 4th decimal point where the 6 is, here you will see that the price will be changed by 1 pip, which means here the number of units will be 10, and this will be $10 in profit. The issue here as the final profit is because this is the commission. The commission is -7, so you need to add to the current profit. If it is -3, -2 added with the -7, it is -9 or -10. Here on the right, when you click the right mouse button, you can click the profit and change from the points to the deposit currency. So for example, currently my trade is in profit by $3, you can see that. And the price has changed from 67 to 64, which means 0.3 pips. And that means if you take a look and calculate 0.3 of $10 is $3. So what is 1.0 represents one standard lot. And that means 100,000 units of euro, which is a base currency. Now, if you would like to read more about the details, what is 0.1, what is 0.01, here are the examples inside this article where you can read more details. Here I have put one example with a New Zealand dollar against the US dollar with different lot size at the same price, but you can see what is the different profit. Now you can see here Then I have opened volume 0.01, which is a micro lot. Then we have which is micro lot, mini lot, and one standard lot. So here, where is 1.0, whenever the price changes by 1 pip, you will make $10. Now in this case, we can see that the price has changed from 0.64340 to 0.64329, which is the price difference of 1.1 pip. You will see when you multiply with lot size, which is equal to 1, you will see that 1.1 pip multiplied with $10, you get $11. Then you have 10 times less this lot size, the value of a profit is 1.1, which is 10 times less this one. And then you have $0.11, which is for the micro lot, for the smallest one, which is 100 times less than this one, when standard lot. Now, you can see also the calculation here, how this has been done, how the trading platform has calculated. Whenever you have a price difference, you can see that 0.0011 is equal to 1.1 pip. So 1.1 pip multiplied with one lot size, where the one lot is 1 pip is equal to $10, you get minus $11. Now you can see also one of the examples. If you change the lot size at the beginning when you open order and increase it to 2 lots, the last row in the table would have minus 22. So in this case, for example, let's open here. Let's multiply this with 8, which means I will sell by market. So whenever the price changes here by 1 pip, this will be changed by 8 multiplied with $10 will be $80. So you can see how this lot size affects on a value for 1 pip, and also affects how much money you can make or lose by trading. Now we can see that current market price has changed by 65 to 61. This is changed 0.4 pips, which means 4 pipettes. This should be around, if it is 80 pips, this should be 8 multiplied with 4, it is $32. We can see how this changes. So this is the way how you affect on a value of a 1 pip, by changing the lot size. Whenever you change the lot size, you increase or decrease, the value of pip will be increased or decreased. So it's very important to understand that the lot size affects how much money you will make on each trade whenever the price changes. So pay attention not to open too large lot size, because this could easily go against you, which means the trade could go against you and you will lose money. So if you have a small amount of money, it could be that you wipe the whole account very easily with one trade. So that is why the risk management is very important, and the lot size, which affects directly on the value of 1 pip and also directly on the profit, how much you make, is very important to control that. These are the all things that you need to understand. What is 1.0, which is one standard lot, and which defines how much money the trade will be equal to whenever the price changes by 1 pip. If you have any questions for this topic, how the lot size affects what is one standard lot, feel free to leave a comment below and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.